Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mari Martinez. Para los que no me conocen y para los que me conocen, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm back with another waxing video. I'm super excited because finally I'm gonna be waxing myself. But Tres Wellness was so sweet to send me over another package, and not only one but two package. Look at this. This is bigger than my head, and this too, like literally, what the hell. I'm so excited, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys because I already went ahead and opened this. Like I couldn't, no me podía aguantar las ganas. Abrí la cajita, mire lo que estaba dentro. I opened the box and I saw what's inside, and I was so excited to finally use it. So today is the day, okay? Hoy es el día que I'm gonna be waxing myself, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Okay, so they came out with a new line. They came out with these new beads for the legs and your bikini area. How exciting. So I was able to choose the color of my new wax pad. Okay, it comes with this. Hold on, because my phone is not focusing. Okay, it comes with the lemon beans. It comes with electropits beans. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Lavender beans. Purple is my favorite. Purple is my favorite color, bro. Like, honestly. Peppermint beans. How cute is this color? How cute is this color? Tea tree beans. It also comes with this pre-wax spray and the after wax spray. Oops. How beautiful are these with new packaging. I already have the little pump, I guess, to spray it. So yeah, I'm so excited to be using this new stuff with the little applications, and actually comes with two different sizes. I guess this is more for your, like, your legs, your armpits. If you want to do your eyebrows or your mustache, you can use these small ones, so you can really have ¿cómo se dice? Bro, my mind went in English and Spanish. Para que tengas control, so you can have control, more control. Small ones are better. Okay, now for the best part. I love it, bro. I fucking love it. I love it. Look at this color. What the hell? Ooh, what? Thank you so much, because I was about to get up and had to take off from the other ones and open it. Thank you very much. Look at this lid. It's like pink see-through. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Okay, so I know from experience you had to put one of these so you don't make no mess. And if you do make a mess, you can just get a new little cartoncito and put it. Okay, I'll show you guys right now how I do it. Excuse me. You can take this out, and it comes with the little agarradera, with the little handle. I cannot remember if the other one that I have, it's also like this. I can't remember, so it can be so much easier for you guys to clean it. The link is gonna be linked down in the description box for sure, so you guys can go get yourself one and start waxing yourself, so you can stop spending so much money. Because I know going to get a Brazilian or going to get your eyebrows done, your mustache done, is money. And with this, 2-year warranty. Awesome. Quick beginning guide. Okay, well, I'm not a beginner because I'm always doing this, but I just gonna take a look. They have all these colors. The one that I got, I believe, is this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yep.
So I can start using that. I still have the other one, but I'm gonna start using this one just because I love this color.
So I went ahead and I set up my little sprays. Also, I already put the pad to warm up. As the other one, it comes with the digital little thermostato, and you can see the temperature that is warming up or the temperature that is on. I want to do this. I'm gonna go ahead and open this lemon beans, and yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna be doing 2 videos. I'm gonna be waxing my armpits today, and in a couple more days, I'm gonna pour everything. I'm gonna be making a video. I need to do my Brazilian wax, so I'm gonna be using these ones. I believe, because I don't know, because I already dumped all these beans in here, so but I mean, I can still use these ones to do my Brazilian. It's just that these ones are new, and that's what it's for. So I will figure it out. Don't worry, I got it. Making sure to dump all the beans in there because whenever I'm running out of wax, I'll be struggling. Okay, so it's already melting. You guys cannot really tell, but I can tell. Like, you can see right there, they're already melting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid, let it warm up a little bit longer, and I'll come back so I can wax. And today I went to work, but I was not feeling myself, and I was not feeling myself. I started throwing up, so I came back home because I was not feeling good. So I didn't sweat today. Honestly, I did not sweat because I didn't do nothing. I was just there for like 2 hours, and like literally there was like nobody there, so I didn't do nothing but talk to my coworkers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wax. I did put deodorant on my armpits, but they're clean and they're hairy. I've been letting my hairs grow, but I don't grow much hairs no more, and they do take longer to grow. So I was like, when is it gonna be the right time for me to wax? Today that I'm feeling a little sick, but I'm feeling better. I haven't ate literally all day because I was throwing up all morning. Okay, so hi, oh my god, for not looking, I'm over here making a mess. It's okay. Okay, so it looks like honey. I was about to say it looks like honey, and I'm over here making messes. Okay, I'm gonna be pre-waxing my armpit because I need to clean it, and I only use my my hands to clean it. I don't know, I feel like that for me that works. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry. I know there's people that usually use powder or some type of powder to make sure like your area is dry, but I just make sure that it's dry. So yeah. To be honest, they came out with better beans because this one, they're dry faster. You don't have to wait as longer as the other one that I have been using. This one on the manual, it says to wait from 35 to 45 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. It still is not sticky no more. Oh, my makeup. Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, wow. This is crazy, bro. You can see the hairs, like... Okay, so... Look at my hairs. And you can see how it's see-through. That's crazy, man. I love these new beans. So I still have like 2 hairs left here and a couple of hairs left over here that I wasn't able to get. I put it down to 201 on the temperature because I don't want to burn myself. Like that is a little hot, but it's not bad. Okay, I gotta make a bigger circle because I have some hairs right here. Okay, okay, there is good. And then I'm gonna apply some here. No way. Oh my god, oh my god, I got wax. Okay, so I believe they're dry now. Oh my god. And if you go over like that, you get whatever wax is left. Sometimes, not all the time. And I have 1 hair left. Those were the hair that I was trying to get. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing my other armpit. I'm gonna be applying the pre-wax spray. I'm gonna let it dry. In some way, I feel like these hairs are longer than these ones. Yeah, I don't know. That's just me feeling things or saying things. I'm looking at the wax like, what? Looks like honey. When it actually melts, it doesn't look like there's so many beans on the little baggie, but there are, but not on the pad. Or I guess because it's like, the bag is like this big and this pad is like, you know, I don't know what I'm saying, to be honest. Don't listen to me. Just go get one of these, Amazon. The link is gonna be linked down in the description box. Okay. I'm gonna be adding the wax on my armpit. And then I'm gonna go over with a little bit more of the wax and try to get more hairs. I just like doing one big patch, to be honest. If it's possible, one. If not, then I just go over it. But if it's possible, why not? Like, honestly, like right now, let me show you guys. Right now, you see, it looks like I got all the hairs. Okay. Okay, so it's dry. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. Okay. This one hurt a little bit. Just a little bit. Bro, and I was almost able to get all the damn hairs. But I got some hairs left right here, one right here, and another one right there. Look how hairy I was. I love this part, like the see-through part. And look how many hairs. Okay. 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 It's already dry. Bro. Okay, at this point, I'm just gonna... Fucking hairs, bro. I still have some hairs left here. I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay, let's try, man. Let's try it. If I don't get it, if I don't get those hairs, I'm gonna have to... Ow! It's pulling my little hairs. Anyways. Okay. 1, 2. Finally. Those were the hairs I was trying to get. Mary 1, hair 0. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be applying my after wax spray. So all the wax that was left on my skin can be removed from my skin. Literally, how easy is this? I love it. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna be doing the same thing. Oh my god, I got it on my face. Just gonna take my makeup off or what? Bro, it didn't took me that long to wax myself. I'm telling you guys, stop wasting money on Brazilian wax, on going to somebody to do it for you guys when you guys can do it at home by yourself. Little by little, you're gonna get the hang of it, and it will be really easy for you guys. Because when I started, let me tell you, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was faking it, still I was making it, and yeah. But yes guys, if you are interested on purchasing this beautiful wax pad, go ahead and click the link down below in the description box, and it's gonna take you to the Amazon link and you can purchase it. They actually have different colors, so you can choose. You have a lot of different choices that you can choose from. But yes guys, in my next video I'm gonna be waxing, I don't know if everything or just my Brazilian area. We will see that in the next video. We will leave it for the next video. We will talk about it. But yes guys, I'm so excited. Finally gonna let you guys go because I got stuff to do. But yes guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch all my videos. I do appreciate that, and thank you so much for Tres Wellness for sending me this package. I love them. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. That's where I mainly link everything that I use for my videos. But yes guys, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.